If you want to change your WordPress site name and site logo in the browser tab, you can use this methodology. Here you can see the theme name Agricoma. So I need to change to my brand name Ilaki. What you have to do, you have to go to the WordPress admin dashboard, click here, and if you come down, you can see the settings. Click on general, it will open this page, and here you have an option to change the site title. Click on it and change to your site name and your title, and also we can change the tagline. Once you've done that, the next thing is we need to change the site logo. Here you have to upload your logo. Once you select, for the better SEO, you have to give the alt text and title. That will be increase the search visibility in the Google. Once you've done that, use that icon. After making all changes, come down and save the changes. You're done. And now click on the site in new tab, and here you can see the title name and logo is changed. I hope this is helpful.